We're making breakfast kebabs, like Ian. Go ahead, and what I like to do is go ahead and line these up. I like to put a good slice in these things because I like to put a good slice in these. That way, whenever we cook them in our butter, it'll soak up into the sausages. Take your pan, wrap it in aluminum. If you want to, preheat your oven. I did mine on 350 because my oven gets way too hot for some reason. And then go ahead and coat your pan with the butter. That way we have no sticking issues, nothing like that. What I do for the seasonings into the butter is I'm gonna use a little bit of brown bourbon sugar. Brown sugar bourbon, whatever you call it. Throw that down on the pan. And a little bit of this hickory honey rub. Just a little bit of that on the pan. Just enough to coat the butter. And then we're going to take some of the cinnamon sugar blend that I have and coat the bottom too. We're going to cook our sausages in this until they're fully done. And then we're going to batter them up in this blueberry pancake mix and deep fry them. With the honey hickory and the brown bourbon sugar. Brown sugar bourbon, whatever you say, I don't care. It's done melting down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna coat all this over. All this nice crust from our seasonings. We're gonna get all mixed up with that butter and incorporated. And then let's add our sausage links to this. We're gonna add all these straight to the pan. Line them up nice and even. Add a couple slices of butter, one to that, stack there, push those together. One to this stack here in the middle. For everything else. And then we're gonna add them straight into the oven on 350 for about, I'd say 20-30 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and cover the top of these with some more aluminum foil. Go ahead and wrap this. There we go. Got all that locked in. Let's throw it back in the oven on the bottom rack for about 30 minutes. And so just add them right to the bottom rack there, evenly spaced about midway. Add them in on about 350 for, oh shit. I want to do, let's start with 20 minutes and then we'll come back and check them in about 10. Our sausages are about done. Mixing up the batter a little bit more. We want it to be nice and thick, but not too thick. We still want it to be able to be dippable. All right, I think our sausages are about done. Oh shit, that's hot. Fuck yeah, that's hot. Whew. Yeah, they get a little bit burnt. That's all right. We got our oil going. It's on about a medium-high heat. Let's go ahead and make our wiener bobs. Shit, it's fucking hot. Basically, we're taking a skewer, running it right through the shaft. Ow. Shit. Okay, might want to let these cool down. I'm not patient. I'm trying to record here. Okay. Don't be a jackass. Use tongs. Works a lot easier. You versus the guy she told not to worry about. Just saying. Yeah. Basically, you want all your meat on skewers like so. What the hell? Why is my camera not focusing? Boop. There we go. You want all your meat on skewers like so. And then we're going to move our pan over here to the side because we want to use that butter. But we're going to take our batter and dump all of our skewers into it. We want to coat these all evenly. Get all these nice and coated up. And your blueberry pancake mix, or whatever pancake mix you want. And then meet me at the fryers, because yeah, we want them all nice and coated like that. You got your wieners all coated up and your batter. And then you just want to drop them in real nice and slow so you don't get burned. Just like a corn dog if you're working at the county fair. Same thing, basically roll it around in your batter mix. No, motherfucker, goddamn. Ah! Fucking time. Shit, I need a camera person. Get them all in there, coated, deep frying. Well, move your plate of wieners over here. Keep coating. I coat and roll because my bowls are small. Not my balls, my bowls. I'll just drop it in nice and slow. Basically, that's what you're looking for there. A nice, deep, dark, golden brown corn dog looking thing. But it's breakfast. Blueberry pancake mix, sausage links, and not very many seasonings. Sorry, some of these are bigger than others. I'm gonna hit these with just a drizzle of the maple syrup across the top. And then I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of cinnamon sugar across the top. And then what I'm gonna do to the maple syrup dip that we made, it's got butter in it. I'm gonna add some of the smokehouse maple right on top of that. And that's how you make breakfast corn dogs. Let's have a taste of this. Let's see how it's going. Let's try this one. Hell yeah, bro. That's perfect. Look at this. That is incredible. Blueberry pancake, sausage link, corn dogs. Oh my God, guys. Yeah. Go make that. You'll love it.